name off every sentence, but it leaves under my tongue. If this is love or just a habit, tell me why it feels so